That was last week.
Yeah.
Next week he's 21 buying booze, right?
When you're that age, you know, every year counts, right?
So what did you do to the car?
Nothing. This is how I got it.
Exactly like this?
Yep.
Oh my God.
Wow, what a score.
Was
What a
just
find.
Was that just recently?
Yeah, a couple weeks ago.
How much did you pay for it?
14.
1,400?
No, 1,000.
Oh, right.
1,000.
14,000. So it would take probably twice that to do this work yourself.
Yes. That's why I decided to buy it.
So, and the guy did lose money.
Yes, he
selling to
definitely
you.
did.
Because this is and I know that because in high school, when I was your age, my neighbor, we took a wrecked one in the front and a wrecked one in the back, and we cut them in half and welded them together. Same here, 67. Or this is 68?
68.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a 68.
67 looks exactly alike except for the side markers.
I was confused as to what. I didn't think it was 66.
But no, that's a nice, I mean, you virtually didn't lose money on this deal, man.
No. Time capsule.
No,
Yeah, exactly,
I mean,
exactly. Just keep it, all you have to do is wash, keep it clean.
Yep.
Put a cover on
That's
it.
the idea.
You got a car cover for it?
Yes.
Good.
Definitely.
Yeah, because this paint
Driving
is
it to school.
No, there's no school right now because
Yeah,
of
well,
COVID.
what'd you drive it to school?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, back in our day, that'd be the coolest car in the parking lot.
yeah, I had a Vegas.
Still is.
It was not the coolest
Yeah.
car.
So you parked way at the end.
Oh Lord. It was a Chevy, but
Yeah.
then they find out what kind of Chevy.
I had that car in high
Like,
school.
Oh, no,
Really?
why'd you buy that?
Like that. It was
Yeah.
exactly like that.
Really?
So
Wow.
this is my second one. I've owned that for almost 50 years. So yeah, hold on to it, man. It was a keeper. She's a keeper.
Yeah.
And you know what happened to the cow tag? Was
I
there
don't
a
know.
tag right here?
I don't know. That's what I was thinking too. It's a little scratched up here. Yeah.
Is the other hood opening? Where's that other Mustang that was
It's right
here?
here.
Oh, its hood's closed. I was gonna say, where's the VIN tag at?
It's on the dash. There's a tag, and then there's a tag on the door.
There's a tag on the door.
Yeah, right here.
Okay, so apparently when the guy did this, he took,
That and probably moved it to the door. I think.
yeah. I don't know. It's to me, this is what scares us car guys: is someone taking IDs and scraping them off.
Really?
You know,
Well,
stolen
yeah,
car.
I don't see a buck tag on either, but they're usually not around.
And you know, a car this age, so I don't think.
Wouldn't worry about it.
And with his little kid face, they go, go get out of here, even if it is stolen. No, it's nice. You did steal it. That's 14 good price.
Yeah.
Well, good luck with the car, man.
Thank you.
Take care of her. Oh, I like how did you put the date on that, or the last owner did?
The last owner did.
Smart guy. That's original miles?
Yeah, 61,000.
Whoa.
This car sat in a.
Yeah, he's had it sitting for like 25 years.
This
in
is
his
your
garage.
car?
Yes.
That's too much car for you, boy.
Yeah,
I didn't want to say that, sorry.
He bought it out of a garage in Shinkaipa. It's just been sitting there. It's like it
And then
came
he
out like
took
this.
it. And then he took it to the shop. They just did a tune-up, new coils, and then sold it.
Wow.
But this paint isn't original.
No, I think he painted it like
Yeah.
15 years ago.
And this is painted on, isn't it? Or is it
No, I think it's a decal.
is it the vinyl?
Yeah.
Still clean looking car, man.
Thank you.
It's quite
Really clean. Like it. Now, if you ever need a radiator for one of these, I have one of these on eBay for $49.
Okay.
You won't.
You ever need a radiator?
Yeah, I got this
Bash
for.
in the front or something.
No, it's a four. I sell used auto parts, new auto parts online.
Uh-huh.
And one of the guys, neighbors said, "Here, sell this for me." And it's a Mustang, early Mustang radiator. I go, okay. My radiators are $400. I can't even give it away for $49. So.
You probably ought to get it just
No, he doesn't need it. This one's a nice one. This is a nice. I think if this is a original, I think it is.
It stays nice and cool.
Yeah, I think it is.
Well, that engine will run forever.
Yeah, no kidding.
That one's got the same hubcaps on it that my mom's had, so I wonder if that's the same as my mom.
Great.
Your mom have an inline six?
Yeah, when she sold
Cool.
it, she thought it was an 8.
Well, good job, man.
Thank you.
This one's local.
Okay. Let's go look at this Nova. See all those bushes. I don't know if I've seen this before.
Yeah, I'm sure that's
Randy.
what he
Hey,
wanted.
Timmy. Long time no see. Hey,
He snatched that all up.